Have you ever wondered how all those tiny components manage to stay neatly in place on a circuit board? Even in such compact electronic devices as smartphones that fit easily into your pockets and computers with increasingly slim designs. The answer lies in a key technology known as SMT assembly. Today, we'll take a closer look at this technology and explore how a circuit board is born. The circuit boards inside the smartphones and computers you use every day can operate stably, and the core of this stability relies on SMT assembly technology. SMT, or surface mount technology, differs from traditional pin insertion installation methods. It allows components without pins or with short leads to be directly mounted and soldered onto the PCB surface. This technology has enabled electronic products to shed their bulky designs and evolve towards lighter, thinner, and higher performance devices. The first step is solder paste printing. A specialized steel mesh is placed over the PCB, and a squeegee pushes the solder paste through the mesh openings onto the pads. The thickness and uniformity of the solder paste directly affect subsequent welding. So an SPI solder paste inspection system monitors the process in real time to prevent deviations. Next comes component placement. The nozzles of high-speed pick and place machines act like flexible fingers, using high-precision vision systems to precisely place components as small as sesame seeds such as resistors, capacitors, and even complex chips onto the pads, with errors controlled to the micron level. The PCB then enters the reflow oven, passing through multiple temperature zones including preheating, heating, peaking, and cooling. The solder paste gradually melts and solidifies, securely bonding the components to the pads. Finally, the inspection phase uses our optical inspection equipment to identify issues such as misaligned components or cold solder joints. For bottom solder joints like BGAS, X-ray machines are used for transparent inspections. In the workshop, anti-static suits and grounding equipment are ubiquitous, and temperature and humidity are strictly controlled to ensure the quality of every circuit board. SMT acts as the architect of electronic manufacturing, quietly supporting the operation of various electronic devices in our daily lives. After witnessing the entire SMT assembly process, do you find that a small circuit board holds a wealth of knowledge? It is precisely this precise technology that makes our electronic devices increasingly user-friendly and portable. What other aspects of electronic manufacturing would you like to learn more about? Feel free to leave a comment below and let us know.